Oh, they're great. We went to the beach this weekend, had so much fun out in the sun. And,
Are they back to school?
not yet. They have like a week left. Providence, hold. Next week. So we still have a little bit.
Could we even do that?
I don't know if anybody can or something.
Oh, I gotta let you go.
Providence.
Hi. I would like to make an appointment with Dr. Hodges today.
She's all booked up today. But what is your name?
Jennifer McCoy.
Yeah, no, we don't have anything. We had 3 providers call out today.
Oh, well, I have a really bad stomach ache and I don't feel well. I just need to see Dr. Hodges.
Yeah, I don't have anything.
Well, I don't know if it's something I ate or maybe it's something more serious. I'm really in a lot of pain. I just need to see someone.
Well, I think that you probably should just go to the emergency room or something.
Well, can I at least talk to her? This won't take long.
She's really all booked up. Sorry, ma'am.
Can you at least get her a note?
Yeah, I mean, I can write her a note, but I wouldn't expect anything from her today. She's all booked up.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.